stuff like this. Can you see him? Is it working? Probably not. Camera zoom is still broken. Okay, hi, good morning. I'm holding 2 snails because they were on this chair before me, and I'll put them back after. Oh, the baby's waking up. It is about 6:15 a.m. on a Monday, and I am about to drive up to school. So, let's go. How are you this morning? Good, how are you doing? Good. Oh yeah. What size for the whole room? Large, please. Okay. Thank you. I just realized that I left my camera charger at my house, so we're gonna go back and get that. Cute nails. Very spring. Thank you. Have a good one. Ah, I also really need to get gas, but what a fun adventure we're on this morning. Okay. God bless. Okay, I got it. Got the charger. I don't need anything else. I just stopped by what I call my dorm. Drop off some food that I brought up and put my stuff in my room. Let's go to school.
That's where that's inefficient. It's the animal is spending a lot of energy and not getting a lot out of it.
Hi. I just got home from school. I am going to unpack my room, maybe do some laundry, just kind of get organized for the week, and then do some schoolwork and maybe some editing. We'll see. I will check in with you later today or early tomorrow. Good morning. We are on our way to lab. I have surgical nursing lab today, so let's get it. Hi. I am in the parking lot of my assigned clinic getting ready to walk in. My hair was not cooperating as I was getting ready, and so I cut my bangs.
Oh my God!
You know, it's fine, whatever, okay? That's not the point. The point is that I am getting ready to go in. It is 3:50 and I will be here till like 10 or 11. I will check in with you as I'm driving home. I can't stop messing with it. Just this one small guy. It is 11:43 p.m. Oh, it's 11:44 now. And I am just getting off of my clinic. I have been in surgery since 9. I'm gonna go home and go to bed. Ooh! Okay. no. I don't know if you guys were able to hear that from the video, but a giant tree just fell down a little bit further back on my walk, and I just like retraced my steps to try to see if I could find it. But I think it was pretty far in to the actual forest area where the trails don't go, so I wasn't able to find it, but that was crazy. Okay, can I be so for real with you guys right now? I feel like filming things like this, like a nature walk, for me, is such a double-edged sword. Hold on. Sorry, there's people and I don't feel comfortable yet, like filming right as I'm crossing paths with them. Okay, hold on. Ah. Okay, I've kind of burrowed myself on the edge of this cliff. So I can get my point across in one swoop, hopefully. It is kind of a double-edged sword because on one hand, it does feel irreverent and performative and adds a level of distraction that I wouldn't normally have on like just being in nature, because I'm trying to get the right angle, I'm trying to get content. Every time I see wildlife, my first reaction is to pull out my phone instead of just enjoy it and like witness it. So that's the bad parts. But at the same time, the good part of it is that it adds a level of experience that maybe I wouldn't have had. Maybe I'm climbing more than one tree on a walk, or maybe I'm like slow panning and getting every groove and texture of the bark on a single tree. I'm very much in the moment that way. So there are things that I do like about it, but yeah, I don't know, I just thought I would give you my 2 cents on these like experiences that I'm having. It's truly at the end of the day not that deep, but I just want to acknowledge the feelings and thoughts that I have about it. Look how pretty that is. And look how pretty all this is. Kidding me? Amazing. Did that clear it up for everybody? Okay, I'm gonna go. Actually, I'm gonna stay. I'm gonna stay here and I'm gonna sit on this tree for a little bit longer and then I'll head back.
Damn.
Go down.
God damn.
The pinnacle of health. Okay, I've never actually put pickles on this before. Usually I will do pickled red onions and a shitload of greens, but I don't have either of those right now, so let's try it with the pickles, I guess. Honestly, I wouldn't do it again, but I'm glad I tried it. I gotta go grocery shopping. Official good morning for me. I woke up, I did a home workout, I showered and had a protein shake, got ready, and now we are headed to our final in-person lecture and lab of the week. Let's get it. Let's go home. Okay, I'm so excited. Let's have a discussion, actually. Logically, it is a fast food place because it's food that you can get really quick. McDonald's, Wendy's, Taco Bell, Popeyes. This guy is like going wild. Hello? And warm coconut water is not the vibe. Guys, I had to cut off my nails. Am I okay? Hold on, everyone. Ah, the knife! I'm in surgery. What the fuck am I trying to say? Surgical nursing. I still don't know how to open a can of soda. Should I be telling you that? That's like an embarrassing thing to say. I'm just trying to keep it real. Oh my god, it's fully closed. Okay. Sunny, nice day, and knowing that I have all day tomorrow, all day the next day, and potentially all day the next day just to be at my house, all of the serotonin is hitting me at once. I was Mormon growing up. I'm gonna have to delete all of this footage. Riddle me this. Meow. All right, well, we'll see how that footage ends up. Could just be for me, who knows? There she is. Okay, the bag has been secured. I'm about to eat this on my drive. Don't judge me. I took my little sweeties. Sit down, I'm with you. Hi, kitty. It is Friday morning. I need coffee and potentially a little breakfast sandwich. So we are gonna go do that real quick. Okay. I tried to get up and film with my camera, but it died because I transferred all of the footage over yesterday and like started the beginning parts of editing it. So yeah. I love you. Oh, thank you. All right, let's go. We also had the propane guy come out today because when I got home yesterday, we were like almost completely out of propane. And if you don't live in a rural area, when you run out of propane, like for your house, it's like significantly more expensive if they have to like repressurize everything and do like I can already see that drool starting. I'm gonna open that. Whoa. You guys excited for a treat? Oh, the drool meister. Hi. Oh, we're getting out of the car, I see.
Can they have treats?
Yes, please.
One has so much drool on their head. It's so cute.
Yuck. Cool, thank you so much.
Have a good day.
Can't take them anywhere.
Hey, sweetie. You've been so cute in the sun.
Okay. Good boy. Okay, Roo. Good job. Hello. I have been editing for the remainder of the morning, and now we're gonna go to the grocery store to get things for dinner tonight and for the rest of the weekend. Let's get it. Hi. I forgot to record or vlog anything at the grocery store, but you can watch me put these away if you want. I'm getting content. Whoa. What are you doing? Yeah, you're hoping something falls. This is cinema.
Sun is falling, speed in the black. Nobody driving, we're in the back. To the end of the world. Tides will rise, tides will fall with gravity.
Guys, welcome to Sunday. I am hosting a dinner for some of my friends tonight, and I want to make a like savory pie. Let's do it. Are you laying in the dirt? You guys want a little treat? Sit. There you go, sit. Here you go, Beans. Get some ASMR. Good morning. It is Sunday. No, it's not. It's Monday. Good morning. It is Monday morning and I am currently driving back up to school for the week. We've made it an entire week together. I hope that you enjoyed watching. I hope it was entertaining, and I hope that you stick around for future videos. The pie turned out really good. Okay, just want to throw that in there in case anybody was wondering. It did turn out really good. I think that's all I have to say about it. I think that is plenty of things for this video. I'm on my way to get a coffee. If you guys want to come for one last drive-through experience, you're more than welcome to stay and finish the video with me doing that. But if not, no worries. I hope you have an amazing week ahead of you, and I will see you soon. Bye. All right, the real ones are still here. What can I get started for you this morning?
Hello. Can I please get a... What is this? There you are.
Like your nails.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
That's awesome.
Hell yeah.
Have a great day.
You too, thank you. Okay, thank you for coming with me, hanging out a little longer, vibing in the drive-thru. It's a great day. I am excited and looking forward to this week, and I'll see you in the next video. Yum.